Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly delete photos in your Heartopia album using the new update feature. So in this latest update, Heartopia added a super helpful select feature in the album. This makes it so much easier to delete multiple photos at once, no more deleting them one by one. And here's how to use it. First, just open your album. Like this, and then just simply tap on the delete icon at the bottom right corner. This one, just click on it, and then next just tap on any photos that you want to delete. You can select as many as you like. For example, I want to choose this one, like this, and then once you're done, just simply tap on delete and then just confirm, like this. And done. All selected photos will be deleted at once. It's super fast and really save time, especially if your album is already full. And okay, that's it for this week tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.